Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got the drums off. That was pretty fun, I guess. It took about 2 hours to get these off. As you can see here, the dirt on the drum is pretty heavy, so that's kind of why it took us so long to get it off. And this spring right here fell off, so we had to reclamp that. This one is the one we took 2 hours on. This one came off right away. It was the best one. There was no problem with this one. It came off right away. Yeah, the wheel bearings are good. Everything's good. The brakes are fine. They're not worn at all.
To ream these.
Yeah, we have to grind the dirt out of them.
Yeah, there's a ridge right there. That's why it didn't slide off.
Yeah. So that is what we've been doing, and I think we're gonna do an oil change next. Yeah, no, we eventually got it off. We had to get that little thing right there to do all that.
The adjuster was stuck, couldn't get back in.
Yeah.
We got her fixed.
Yeah, the adjuster's in there. I don't know if you can see
Couldn't
it.
get the adjuster to back off, and there was a ridge on the drum. So.
Yeah, right there, the little thing with teeth. That's the adjuster.
Look at your shoes, are some good, eh?
Yeah, no, they're perfect.
Probably take good for 10 years.
Yeah. So yeah, no, we're good to go there. Everything looks good.
Spring kit in it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. The wheel cylinders are tight. There's no seepage on the wheel cylinders, so
Yeah.
you're good to go.
I think we're good. We were a little worried taking that other one off because of how long it took, but everything turned up good. Alright everyone, so we're going to be doing the oil change. Just got to raise the hoist up a little bit.
Go right to the top.
Yeah, she's at the top.
She is?
Yep. Alright, let's see what we got under here.
That's
There's the drain plug there.
Is that the one?
Nope. Too small.
Really?
Yeah.
Too small. Okay, socket's over here.
Yeah. What size wrench is that?
That's a 916.
Okay.
I thought it was the 916 for that.
Too big? I think there is a little leak in the oil plug, but that's alright.
She may need a new gasket or maybe loose. I don't know.
Yeah.
What size that is?
Which ones have you tried?
Try that one. Don't strip her wherever you do.
No, it's not what we want. Nope. Nope. Let's try this one. Nope.
Jeez. Oh, maybe it's that one.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
I'd say, yeah.
Yeah. Did the socket go in there? The ratchet or the ratchet?
It should.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, they put that on too tight. Mercy. That's terrible.
Oh my god.
That's another one.
Yeah. We just did his car the other day and it was on way too tight. It was actually stripped.
Why?
So,
Can't trust anybody.
no.
Okay, you need a bucket.
I do need a bucket.
Okay, I'll go get one. You found a filter there?
Yeah, filter. We'll grab our supplies here. So that's what we're using. MotoMaster. Nothing fancy, just something. We're using that kind of oil. It's 10W30. It calls for a 5W30, but it's an older vehicle, so you can get away with going a little lower.
It's a half a foot of snow right there.
Yeah, it's crazy. There's the filter there.
Okay. Spin that out.
Alright. Okay. Need like a little placement for this one.
Oh, she's black.
Yeah, she's gooey.
Wow. Oh, got you, black.
Yeah. Wood there. Yeah, she's goopy.
Yeah. Spin her up.
Yeah. Do you want to hold the camera?
Oh, you put your shoulder in.
Did I? Of course I did.
Did you?
I don't think so.
Oh. How come she won't blow?
I don't know.
No. It's in an air pocket.
Alright. Yeah, that's gonna be kind of tricky.
Should turn.
I just need. Do you want to hold that?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, she turned.
Okay, you're going to have to get out of there. You're going to get plastered.
Yeah, I know. You want to wait for this one to?
No, just keep her on.
Okay. Alright.
She leaking down your arm, yeah?
Not yet.
You want to take her out? Here.
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah. There she goes. Let her leak there for a little while.
Yeah. Some rags.
Yeah, what's that look like? Is
It
there a
is a little
gasket?
stripped.
Yeah. Is there a gasket, a crush washer or something?
Yeah, I think there is.
It's way too tight, but
Yeah.
you thought it was leaking a little too, eh?
Yeah, when we first got under it.
Oh.
I guess I'll throw some rubber gloves on.
Okay, watch out. There's going to be a splash.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's not too bad.
It's the same filters that's on my Spark.
Yeah.
What?
Look at that.
Oh my goodness. Is it the same number? No, it's a different thread.
It is different, yeah.
No,
Yeah. This one's a little bigger.
the Spark is a little bigger.
Seal came off.
Okay, make sure it matches up with your new one there. What's the number on that one?
This one?
No, the old one.
851040.
Yeah.
Let's open it and see.
Okay. That's a little bigger one, eh?
Is it?
The Spark's a little bigger filter. You sure it's not? No. Yeah, the Spark is the bigger filter.
I don't know.
What? Is that the same?
It looks the same.
Yeah. Just take it up here. Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Is the middle different?
Huh? No, it's
No.
the same.
It's kind of great. Well, we got it from Canadian Tire and did the whole machine process.
Yeah.
So it should be right.
Yeah. Okay, you want to prime that one a little?
Yeah.
You can't get it all primed because
No.
it goes up in this slant. Just put her up here.
Yeah.
Won't be doing laundry anytime soon.
I don't think so.
Pour her in slow. 'Cause it takes. That should do it.
You think so?
Yeah, it goes in sideways, so it's gonna.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know where that hole is up there?
Yeah, I can find it. The gasket's off it.
Geez, I can't see. Okay, where is this? My God. Yeah, your head's in the way this way.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
No gasket on or anything.
I can't see that though. Gasket's on that one. Yeah.
Would that be easier to put on from the top?
I don't think so. No. I don't know how do we get to it from the top.
Okay, hold on to your camera. I gotta look at my glasses.
Okay.
Don't get dirt in that though, eh?
Yeah, I don't know.
Here. Okay, hold on to this.
It's a shitty place for it, eh?
Usually GM's good for that.
Yeah.
You sure you can? I can't.
I don't think you can get it from the top.
Better. We'll wait, we'll put the plug on.
Yeah.
Where's the plug? There's a little bit of a O-ring there or something.
Yeah, it's like a little rubber.
We'll have to keep an eye on that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like a little O-ring.
Yeah.
I don't know. That really should have been replaced. That's why it's leaking.
What's that, thread sealer?
Yeah. It's real dried up.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to, when you get a chance, go online or check for, there's an O-ring goes in there. I've never seen that like that before. Because that, we kind of thought that was leaking, eh?
Yeah. That's what it looked like.
Yeah. Yeah, that needs to be a new O-ring put in that, the next one.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's way too tight, eh?
Yeah.
That's where the oil's coming from, right there.
Yeah.
Okay, this will get us going anyways.
Yeah. Get all the shit out of the way.
If we could ever get that filter on.
It's rough, eh? Like.
She's a V6.
Yeah.
How we can't see down there from the top?
No. I remember seeing the filter, but like not being able to get to it. That kind of went through my brain when we looked at it from the top.
Okay. You don't want to get dirt in there going up, eh?
Okay. I might be able to.
Okay, give me the stool.
Okay.
Okay, what do we got in the light?
Not much. I think our lights are all charging.
We gotta have a light. There's not a light at the back there.
I can go look.
Okay, I see it now. Okay, pass me that thing. The filter. Yeah, you don't want to be, like everything's dirty, you don't want to be dropping dirt in on top of your...
Yeah.
There you go. It's not so bad after.
No, you just gotta get the right angle.
When you're going up the filter, you don't want to be
Grabbing all the dirt and stuff.
grabbing all the dirt and going into the filter. It's just what the filter's for.
Yeah.
Okay, I need a paper towel. Hit the oil, I had good viscosity to it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that plug. Well, you'll have to keep an eye on that plug.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a few drips clear.
Yeah.
My goodness, the car's in good shape underneath it.
Oh yeah.
You still got the black paint on the H frame, right?
Yeah, that's insane.
Like this on there.
Yeah.
Okay, slide that thing out of the way and we'll put this thing down. All right.
Okay.
Just want to clean it up. Then if you have a major leak, you know you have a major leak.
Yep. Good to go.
Yeah. Put it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good here. Tires are okay back there?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, should be okay. Keep it going.
Say there.
I guess you're taller than me, you can still.
Yeah, I'm just gonna check those tires. Yeah, she's pretty much at the tire level.
Oh, it is? Okay. I think it'd be that high.
Yeah, the muffler's just about to hit it.
Just about?
Yeah.
Get a couple more inches. Two more inches.
Okay.
Whoa, just go gentle. Whoa, right there.
Okay.
Okay, lift your engine on.
You wanna hold that?
Okay, so you hold it like this? No.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, it's right there. That's, where's your funnel?
Good question. My hands are all greasy. There we go.
Where's that funnel? We got?
Right here.
Yep, that'll work. Just before you start pouring, do you have anything to put here so you don't have to spill it all over the engine? Like a piece of cardboard? Here, you hold the camera, I'll do it. Just hold the can like that and then it won't spill. I don't know how many liters this thing takes.
Me either.
This is what, a 5 liter?
Yeah.
It's got to fill the oil filter a little bit.
Yeah.
Yep, 5 liters.
give her a check.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the towel.
Geez, you're sweating.
Mm-hmm.
It's too hot in here.
It is. Yeah. About half, I think.
Oh, it's got to be more than that.
Check her in.
Yeah, maybe there's more than a liter in that's left then. It's getting up there, right?
Oh, yeah.
Right up?
Yeah, it's pretty well.
Yeah, okay. Geez, it looks cleaner looking.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, put her back down, just check it again.
There's
You're going to go down a little because there's
the filter, yeah.
the filter.
Yeah, it's pretty well full.
Yep, okay, you're good to go.
Yeah.
Like I say, when we started, you'll have to check the oil levels again.
Yeah.
Put your cover on. What's your first oil change on your first car, right?
Yeah, I can't even get the cap back on. There we go.
There. Okay, so
Make sure it's not leaking massive amounts of oil underneath.
everything's dry.
Everything's good to go.
Okay. Okay. Put her right back up, I guess, to where she was. We'll put that. You hold on to this. I'll put that engine on in.
Okay.
Everything's good here. Yeah. Raise her back up.
You're watching that side?
Yeah, everything's good because we had it up.
Yeah.
I guess that's our working spot there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is where we were.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No use going way up. So.
No. Well, I think that's it for the video, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. It's the first oil change of this car that we've done, so it went pretty well. Anyways, if you liked, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.